Good morning. Your passport, please. Here you go. Thank you. Here's your boarding pass. Window seat. Perfect. Thank you. And your bag to check? Yes, here it is. Thanks. Okay, suitcase is on.
Thank you.
Please step forward.
Arms up, please.
All right. Walk through the detector. You're clear. Proceed.
Passengers for British Airways Flight 472 to London Heathrow, we are now boarding all remaining rows.
Oh, finally. Okay, gate A37. Thank you.
Let me know if you need help with your bags.